Alright everybody, it's me, Eric Flips with the Gobbler. In my garage, wanted to show you what I do to maintain this car. I know a lot of you see my pictures. Most of my times my car's pretty clean, and I keep it clean a little bit easier. I don't constantly foam it up and wash it. That would be an awful lot of work. So per view, so I've already done a bunch of it, but first of all, get yourself some really good microfibers. These Gobbler Car Care Products microfibers are really good. But you want to have some really good microfiber towels that are soft. And these ones happen to have long and short pile on them, so they're dual use. But whenever you're using on your paint to do something like I'm about to do, you really want to use the long pile side, not the short pile side. This is the short pile side. If you're doing any kind of compounding or polishing, this is really good for removing polish. It's also good for interiors. But this is the side you want to use on your paint. It's a long pile, really soft, so it won't scratch it. Okay, so shake it out a little, and I'm going to show you basically how I maintain my clean car without taking it out and using the foam cannon and the drying towels and the drying and all that stuff. So I've already done over here, so you can see there's no dust here, dirt. But if you start looking over here, you'll see it's a little bit dirty. I did drive the car today, so it has a little bit of dust on it and stuff. Not a ton, but a little bit. So what I did was I purchased this nice little gizmo here. I used to just use a regular spray bottle, but now I use this. This works really good. What is in here is 3D Waterless Wash. It's a really good product, has tons of lubricity in it so it won't scratch, and it helps lift the dirt up and get it off your stuff. So here's the Waterless Wash 3D. Okay, and I fill up this canister here with this little solo, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it. I'm going to go around, spray this area. I just do one small area at a time. I don't try and do too much because you're going to want to alternate on your microfibers. So we'll use this one first. And I'm just going to wipe this off. As you can see, it's still very wet, and that's okay. That's okay. We want it to stay nice and wet. We want to keep from scratching. So we're going to wipe all this off. And what that's going to do is it's going to pull all that dirt right off of there and into the microfiber. And these microfibers, because they're long pile, the dirt gets sucked up into the fibers. It doesn't stay in on the paint, comes into the fibers. Then we're going to take this nice dry one, and we're going to go back over it and just buff it out and dry it off. And what you're going to find is when you do this, it comes nice and clean and dry. And you got a nice clean paint. There you have it. Nice and clean.